Right, hello everyone. I'll turn my radio down. Right, this is my next small project. I had some bits of amateur radio tower given to me, which to be honest weren't much any good. So I thought I'd build a complete new tower, very similar to the one I've got. There's the start of it. This is the base. Just stand it up for you. Right, that's the base. That'll have the winch and the tilt over on it, so I'll show you what it's going to look like. It'll look the same as this really. Right, but what I'm going to do with it, I'll make it exactly the same, but I'll make a trailer and actually bolt it to a trailer so that people can tow it, do what they want with it, go out with it, or they can take it off the trailer and bolt it to the ground, depending on what they want to do. The thing is, if it's on a trailer, it's not classed as a permanent structure, and you could have it up for a certain amount of time without planning permission. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. I'll keep you updated as to how it's going on. Cheers for now. Right, welcome back. Excuse the smoke and fumes, I've just finished welding again. Right, that's the base more or less finished. I'll show you what we've got. We've got the big bolt for the tilt over part. That's got a tube inside, welded inside. That'll be for the plate for the winch. And then down here we've got, this will be where a pulley goes. So the cable will come down from the winch through the pulley, out of here this way, up to the actual tower itself, wrap round the pulley in the tower, and then back to this bolt hole here. And then that's just an adjustment thing so that the tower doesn't move when it's locked. And once I've got the tower section in place with the locating pin, I can then drill a hole in there which will lock it once it's upright. I've drilled 18mm holes in the plate, 2 inches inside, for the ground post pins, or bolting it to a trailer, which is what I plan to do. So there you go. Right, that's it for now. I've now got to start on the tower section itself, so I'll see you back another time. I'll keep you updated. Cheers for now. Right, hello everybody. Here's the first section of the tower done then. That's the plate for the winch, for that bit. Bolts all on. And then that's where the first locking pin will go. That piece this side is where the second section pulley up goes, like on mine. And then that's where the cable goes through. It comes down here, goes through there, goes round that pulley and back onto that bolt there. So, and that just lifts up. There'll be a pin here to lock it in when it's upright. And it'll tilt like that with all the stuff on it. There you go. Pretty simple. Just got to get some more steel now and do the second section, second and third section, and the rotator cage. Right, Cheers for now. Keep you up to date later. Thanks.